Good afternoon, guys, and welcome. Today is a wonderful day because today I'm going to present to you my new project. Here it is. It's a 1996 Fiat Panda 4x4, and we've got great plans for this. So what we plan on doing is to take this from Tajib, Morocco, all the way down to Port Elizabeth in South Africa. So the plan is that we modify this engine to actually be able to do that trip. So I've actually gone ahead and already changed the tires and got nice knobby tires on there, and I've already lifted the back and the front. The front has been lifted 4 centimeters. And the back has actually been lifted 6 to 7 centimeters. And we plan on rectifying that with these spacers I made. Just nice aluminum spacers. 3 centimeters. And that'll get it nice and level again. And let's have a look at the engine. So you could get a lot of different engines in these cars, but this is actually the 1.1 liter, so the biggest engine you could get with these cars. And they're all right, you know, they're not gonna blow smoke off the tires or anything, but you know, they keeps up with traffic, and I guess that's, you know, okay, but we obviously want a lot more power. So to fix that problem, we've actually got here a nice 1.2 liter out of a Fiat Punto. So it's actually the same type of engine. It's a Fiat Fire engine, and that's the same as that. And so this is the 1.2 liter, so it has bigger valves, you know, bigger head. What are they called? Can't remember. But anyway, we're gonna take this engine and we're obviously gonna stick a turbo on it. Obviously we can't stick a turbo with the original or OEM ECU. It's just not gonna work properly, and just gonna create a whole lot of problems. So to fix this problem, I've actually built this. Here it is. So this is a Spirino V4.3, and they're wonderful ECU. I've been using them for a while now, and they're cheap, and they do everything that you know, a more expensive brand would do. Sometimes I think it actually works better than that, because it's an open source program, so it just, you know, it works. And when you have a problem, there's such a big community of people ready to help you. So I love this product, and it's not sponsor of the show or anything, but literally look these guys up because they are worth it. So Spirino, this is a V4.3, as I said. Just got a VR conditioner here to read the trigger sensors on the car, and it's just powered by a Arduino Mega, like one of these boards, and it just sits underneath here. So that, I actually built that myself. We've got an oxygen sensor, 4x9 LSU, and we've got 14.7 SLC free version 2 to control that oxygen sensor. We've got air temperature sensor and, you know, cables to fix everything up. And here is the manifold that we're making. So it is anything fabulous at the moment. I still need to finish it. It has A lot that needs to be doing to it. Not my best work, but it'll work, don't worry. We're actually going to be mating it to this throttle body. And look at that, guys. This is a China special. Straight from Alibaba, but it looks really high quality. We'll see how it works. We actually had to find a sensor that will fit this like half moon kind of arrangement, and it ever so happens that a BMW E36 throttle body position sensor fits perfectly. So that's going to be our inlet manifold, and that's pretty much everything to it. We are going to be sticking a turbo on it, but that's going to be in the videos to come. Oh, actually I wanted to show you the difference and why we actually wanted to make a custom manifold. Look at how tiny that Fiat Punto throttle body is. It is absolutely incredible how small it is. It's like 35 millimeters across. This one we're putting in 65, so should not have any restrictions on that. Can't wait to see how that performs. So as I said, we're going to be lifting it a little bit on the front. We're going to install all of this stuff, wire it all, and test the engine outside of the vehicle. We're actually going to be rebuilding this engine with new bearings, new just new everything, and putting a MLS gasket, head gasket on it. I'm gonna put ARP studs in this, although ARP doesn't sell ARP studs for this. I think I've found a way of using a set off of another car. They're actually 163 millimeters instead of 158, but I think I can get away with that. Other than that, they're M9 bolts, which are really weird, and these are the only ones that I could find. So I'm gonna go with studs instead of bolts, because that gives you a better torque down value. And yeah, we're gonna tighten that head down, try and keep it down there while we make some boost. The compression ratio in these engines goes around 9.5 to 1. So it is a bit on the high side when you are boosting things, but we're not going to go overly crazy with this, so should be perfect. That sounds like everything, guys. I'll come back to you when we're doing something else interesting. Hope you guys enjoy, and subscribe to the channel, you know, do all that stuff. It will really help me out. Try and get some traction with this build, because I really think it has a lot of potential, and you know, kind of cool, the idea of the underdog 4x4 trying to cross Africa. It's going to be a really cool experience, and I want to take you guys along for a ride. Let me know what you think, comment, subscribe, yep, and thanks guys, see ya.